Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I'm here with Arturo D'Souza and we are standing in front of what is the Bondava lake in the Santa Cruz constituency in Goa. This lake and this embankment on which we stand, this is the stone which is the high tide marker, was built in 1908 by locals carrying mud on their heads, 8,000 square meters of it, supervised by Australian and Portuguese engineers. Over time, the embankment has got porous and stones have been removed, plantation has happened, encroachment has happened within 200 meters, licenses have been granted within 200 meters of the high tide line here. And right now what is happening is someone connected to the current MLA is claiming that this entire lake is his tenancy. Illegally, of course. The issue is in the High Court, but the local panchayat and the local MLA in cahoots with people like this are trying to take over what is known as comunidad land in this water body. We stand behind the agitation to preserve the Bondava lake and hope that this lake, water from which is used by copper pipes to irrigate the second and third crops, is preserved, the embankment is repaired at the earliest, and we restore this area and its ecological framework to what it used to be.